Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. We're back at Anfield, another update on the expansion progress, if there is any progress. It's the 1st of July, Monday 2024. I'm just standing by one of the skips. And that's absolutely rammed full of red boarding. That's what was covering up the windows. So we'll check in on that area in a little while when we fly. I'm not expecting to see big changes on the tier, where the old lower tier will meet the new second tier. I'm guessing we're not going to see much. I have heard rumours that there's been more work done on the pitch, so I'll add that into the video. Yeah, I've just headed round towards the further stone section. I'm just going to show you where the bench is supposed to go, give you a close-up shot. To see all the concrete that was set, and it's a crappy wooden covering just on the top of it. Whenever that bench will appear, I'll let you know. Could be the next few days, could be weeks, could be whenever. No idea. Blue cherry picker hasn't really moved. Still there. Big skip just behind the chicken and the stand side. To the right there's another yellow platform. And then when you look up to the window, you can see all that like pipes and all sorts. So it's obviously more internal jobs to be done, ones that we can't see from out here, but that way it's very limited to what we can see by drone now. So, but without further ado, if you like what you see, click like, share, subscribe. It's time to fly. Let's get the drone off. Welcome back everyone, we are airborne with this climb. Very slight rain, but it's hardly anything to worry about, to be fair. Just going to have a quick look over to the car park just to see if there's anything else arrived or not arrived. I do think we need more terrace sections to join both tiers together, old and new. We'll talk about that when we get there. I think the fan zone is pretty empty now because a lot of the lighting is back in the area where the chicken and ugly stand is situated, right behind it. So all them skips are all full now, so obviously something's been going on somewhere. 2 of those were empty 2 days ago when we were here. We'll fly along towards the Shankly gates because there is a giant skip delivered around there also. The helicopter flying pretty low, so I've just dropped my drone down a little bit. Yeah, all those lighting over there, they were in the fan zone area, so I'm guessing the fan zone is empty again now. Don't believe the cherry picker has been in use. That's just general rubbish, isn't it? So we're going to have a look if we can notice any more over the pitch and towards where the red screening was, and now been taken down. Looks like the tractors are on the pitch and they've started preparing. So we might have a look at him first. You can see where he's been, can't you? So drop down a little bit. Is it me or have they started colouring them seats? Because the main stand seats look a lot redder. Very weak signal. But on the camera you can make out the concourse below it, so this definitely needs concrete sections, just like you see at the top of the corner section. There's an extra concrete part there, and I think that needs to continue all the way along because you can see the concourse lighting underneath. So there's a lot more to be done there than you realise. You can see all the windows, so I think there's seats to go in front of the glass probably. I'm not certain, correct me if I'm wrong. But I think there was supposed to be 2 or 3 rows to go in. But yeah, there's a lot more concrete that needs to go in to join both tiers together, old and new. You can just make it out right at the end, the section that was added in. And there's no sign at all of scaffolding towers or the bigger machinery coming in. They go over the back because the wind has just picked up horrendously. But we will keep an eye on that over the next few days. Well, with them preparing the pitch already, I'm guessing priority is doing the pitch, and obviously there won't be any machinery allowed on. Can they build the scaffolding where the seats have already been taken down? It's very possible. Very possible that they can do that and just build the scaffolding towers up, but I just thought it would have been a lot easier if they can put some kind of plating down, get the cherry pickers in, just so it doesn't damage the sprinkler systems that are in the pitch and anything else that can be damaged. I'm just going to drop more, getting a lot of wind warnings now with the wind picking up. But I think there's a lot more to be done right by the glass windows. You need that concrete to go all the way along, so I will keep an eye out for sections of concrete to be delivered over the next few days, and they'll probably continue where the first piece is in place, right by the corner where it was the last section to be seated up. So we probably be back Wednesday next at Anfield and see what's going on from there. Obviously jobs are getting done with all the skips full of rubbish and everything, so I think this is where we're going to wrap this one up. I wasn't going to risk flying, but I came out, I thought I'd make a video, and there's a lot to keep an eye on. The little jobs that need doing on the outside of the stand, keep an eye on the bench, and we'll definitely keep an eye out on any concrete tier sections being delivered, and if any scaffolding tower gets built, or because how long since the start of the season? 6 weeks, is it? But I think the fixtures have gone Liverpool's way as well with the away games, so it may give us a little bit longer, a little bit of extra time we need to get the stand fully operational, fully completed before the season starts. I know there's still some doubters out there. I'm not one of them. I do think they can pull it off, but I've said stuff before where I've been wrong. I've always been hopeful kind of guy, wishful thinking kind of guy, but yeah, it's been one of those projects that's just been delay after delay after delay, but at the end of it, I'm still hoping it'll be fully operational before the season starts. Fingers crossed. We'll wrap this one up there. I think all, if you like what you saw, click like, share, subscribe. Grateful if you did. Catch you for the next one, or wherever you are in the world. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your day or evening. Bye for now.